Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to leave a review of an audiobook in the Audible application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look down below and select there the third option, which is Discover. Once you are done with that as well, here you can just search up an audiobook, or you can just select one from a popular genre. Let's say you like sci-fi and fantasy, and you can just select the audiobook that you want to listen. And once you are done with that, you can just scroll down here, and you can see the reviews that the other persons have put on. So in this case it's almost 5-star, and you yourself can also leave a review here. You can just now in this case I can't, because I don't have a premium, but if you have a premium, basically you can just leave the review. You can see here the overall, the performance, and the story, and you can just title your review, write your review a little bit in detail, and you can just submit it. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening, and see you next time. Bye bye.